How to activate new hard drives and SSDs not showing up. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, run my recover, then hover the mouse over your SSD here. Click scan to let my recover scan it. After that, you can simply both quick scan and deep scan will be performed on your SSD. All the files will show up. Choose the file you need to recover and press Recover X Files. As shown on picture, you need to select a new safe location for your recovered file. After doing that, you're good to go. That's how you activate new hard drives and SSDs not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.